Okay, yeah, I had to take it apart again. It was turning over hard. Thought I had connecting rod bearings too tight. This is the real reason why it was turning over hard. It spun bearings together on number 4. When I had the car hooked on it yesterday doing the oil pump test. And then, of course, today I said, okay, bearings are too tight. I'll undo them and torque them to the 22 pounds instead of 25. And then I discovered this is one of my spare primaries, going from the crank to the shaft, to the primary shaft. One end there was wore out and slipping. If I tried to drive that like that, it would tear the teeth off the crankshaft, ruin the crankshaft. So it was better to find this out with the motor not in the frame. So, yeah. Fun times. Anyhow, better to find these problems now instead of when you're out on the road.